In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ElevenLabs voice sound angry using some simple steps. We'll walk through the process together, ensuring you can easily replicate it. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open your web browser. It can be any browser that you're comfortable with, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Just make sure it's up to date for the best experience. Once your browser is open, head over to the ElevenLabs website. Next, you'll want to sign in. You can do this by entering your email and password, or if your organization supports it, you might have the option to log in through single sign-on. Either way, this will get you to the main interface where you can begin customizing voices. Once you're logged in, navigate to the text-to-speech section within the platform. This is where most of the magic happens. The text-to-speech section is designed to be user-friendly, with all the tools you need right at your fingertips. Now, ensure that you've selected the 11v3 model. This model is key for generating high-quality voice outputs with the emotional range you need, including the nuanced expressions like anger or frustration. Next, glance over to the right side bar of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Voice, with a name displayed just below it. You'll want to click on this name to explore the various voice options available to you. This is where you can search for the voice that best suits your needs. Once you've selected your preferred voice, turn your attention to the text that you want to convert into speech. Here's where you can start injecting emotion into the voice. All you need to do is include the word angry or furious within square brackets right where you want the emotion to appear in your text. These prompts are vital as they cue the AI to infuse the selected portion of text with an angry tone. Now it's time to bring your text to life. Click on the Generate Speech button to produce the audio output. After a few moments, your audio file will be ready for a review. Listen carefully to ensure that the voice meets your expectations in terms of tone and clarity. If you're satisfied with how your new angry voice turned out, you can easily save it for future use. Simply hit the download button to save it to your device, or choose Share if you want to send it to someone else right away. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully made an ElevenLabs voice sound angry. With these steps, you can add a more dynamic and emotionally impactful voiceover to your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.